Ahan Pandey is quickly becoming one of Bollywood's biggest stars thanks to his debut film, Sayara. In his first major role, Ahan plays opposite Aneet Pad in a romantic musical that's captured the hearts of viewers. Since its release, the curiosity surrounding the two newcomers has been through the roof. Fans can't stop talking about the chemistry between the leads, and Ahan's performance has made him a household name overnight. But it's not just his acting that's turning heads. Ahan's charm and humility off-screen have also caught the attention of the public. Just the other day, as Ahan stepped out of his car in a crowded area, he nearly bumped into a woman passing by. It was one of those unexpected moments that happen when there are a lot of people around. Caught off guard, Ahan immediately turned to her and said, "Sorry," with a sincere expression. His facial expression clearly showed how genuinely sorry he was. He even added, "I am sorry." It was a brief moment, but it reflected Ahan's good manners and willingness to take responsibility, even for something minor. A simple yet telling display of humility. Later on, a cute exchange with the paparazzi also went viral. When photographers approached him for a picture, Ahan politely declined, saying, "Late ho raha hoon. I'm getting late." His friendly and respectful tone made it clear that he wasn't just a rising star on screen but also someone who values kindness and politeness off screen. This small yet enduring moment won over the internet. Now, back to the film that started it all. Sayara continues to break records at the box office even after 7 weeks. The film has grossed a massive 581 crore rupees worldwide, with 412 crore rupees coming from domestic earnings and an impressive 169 crore rupees from overseas markets. With Sayara still going strong, Ahan Pandey's journey is just getting started. He's not just a Bollywood newcomer, he's a star in the making. Stay tuned to see more from Ahan Pandey as he continues to win hearts on and off the screen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.
हाँ पांडे जी दे दो भाई हाँ भाई भाई मस्त मत भाई यहाँ पे आ जाओ भाई भाई उठो ना भाई भाई उठो नहीं
भाई जाता हूँ सॉरी लेट हो रहा हूँ ट्रेंडिंग कर रही है जी भाई थैंक यू मेरे
भाई 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 यहाँ पे उठो ना भाई प्लीज भाई 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 यहाँ पे उठो ना हाँ भाई यहाँ पे दे दो भाई फोटो।
Filmmaker Karan Johar has filed a legal petition in the Delhi High Court to safeguard his personality rights. The director is seeking to stop individuals from unlawfully selling merchandise bearing his name without his consent. Karan Johar's move comes after the Delhi High Court recently granted similar protection to actors Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. The court had previously restrained several websites and online platforms from using Abhishek's name and images for commercial purposes without his consent. The court's ruling was a major win for celebrity rights, acknowledging how important it is to protect one's name, image, and likeness. Justice Tejas Karia, who passed 10 September order, explained that these attributes are tied directly to the individual's professional work and reputation. Justice Karia said, these attributes are linked to the plaintiff's professional work and associations in the course of his career. The unauthorized use of such attributes has the effect of diluting the goodwill and reputation associated with him. In Karan Johar's case, the Delhi HC is being asked to restrain those who are illegally using his name, images, or likeness for profit. This comes as part of the larger fight for personality rights, which protect individuals from unauthorized use of their public persona. The right to publicity, often referred to as personality rights, allows celebrities and public figures to protect, control, and profit from their image, name, or likeness. It's a vital right, especially in today's digital world, where technology like artificial intelligence can easily be used to create and sell fake merchandise. Just like in Abhishek Bachchan's case, where unauthorized platforms were using his image without permission, Karan Johar is now fighting to ensure that his goodwill and reputation aren't misused for someone else's commercial gain. This move by Karan Johar underscores how important it is for celebrities to protect their public persona and ensure their image and name are used ethically. With this legal action, Karan is making it clear that he won't tolerate any misuse of his identity. As the battle for personality rights continues, this case will surely set a precedent for how celebrity identities are protected in the digital age. We'll be keeping a close eye on this. The announcement of Shah Rukh Khan winning the Best Actor National Award for Jawan sent shockwaves through the entertainment world. His fans flooded social media with congratulations, celebrating the massive achievement. However, the win didn't sit well with everyone. A section of the audience believed Manoj Bajpayee delivered a more powerful performance in Sirf Ek Banda Kafi Hai and deserved the award instead. Manoj Bajpayee has now responded to the comparisons between him and Shah Rukh Khan. In a recent interview, he shared his thoughts, saying, "It is useless conversation because it is gone. When it comes to Sirf Ek Banda Kafi Hai, yes, it is a very special film in my filmography and so was Joram. They are going to be on top of my filmography. But I don't discuss these things because it is a very loser conversation. It is in the past and it should be left alone." Manoj emphasized that the focus should be on the work itself rather than any award. He also spoke about how national awards, and awards in general, are losing their relevance. He believes the shift towards commercial cinema is affecting the credibility of prestigious awards like the National Award. Manoj said, "It's not just about national awards, it's about all the awards that were revered. They should seriously think about how they are operating. Because it is not about my respect. I take care of my respect very cautiously when I'm choosing a film and I'm very responsible to the actor that I am. But each and every organization has to think of themselves, that's not my job. If somebody else is losing their respect, they should think about it." Manoj, who has himself won national awards for his roles in Satya, Pinjar, and Aligarh, doesn't take the idea of award shows too seriously. In fact, he admitted, "I think for me, the idea of an award show is wrong." He added, "It is just a piece of decoration in your house. Every day you are not going to stand in front of it and say, 'Wow, I got this.'" Though this is Shah Rukh Khan's first national award, Manoj's candid thoughts remind us that for some actors, it's about the craft, not the trophies. What do you think? Should national awards focus more on artistry than popularity? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. In a moment of pure excitement, Priyanka Chopra shared her immense joy over 15-year-old Owen Cooper's historic win at the 2025 Emmy Awards. On Instagram, Priyanka expressed her heartfelt pride after Owen received the Emmy Award for Outstanding Supporting Actor in a limited or anthology series for his role in Adolescence. Her post was filled with emojis that perfectly captured her emotional joy over the teenager's incredible achievement. Owen, who stars in Adolescence, took the stage to a huge round of applause, overwhelmed by the love and support. He thanked his cast, crew, and of course, his parents for their unwavering support. During his acceptance speech, Owen shared an inspiring message. Honestly, when I started these drama classes a couple of years ago, I didn't expect to be in the United States, never mind here, but I think tonight proves that if you listen, focus, and step out of your comfort zone, you can achieve anything in life. I was nothing 3 years ago, and I'm here now. Who cares if you get embarrassed? Anything is possible. His words moved the audience, but the victory wasn't just inspiring, it was historic. With this win, Owen Cooper broke records. He surpassed Michael A. Gurgia, who was 23 when he won the Emmy for Supporting Actor in 1994. Owen is now the youngest winner ever in the Supporting Actor category, but that's not all. According to Deadline, he also became the youngest male actor ever to win an Emmy in any acting category, surpassing Scott Jacoby's record. Scott was 16 when he won in 1973 for The Certain Summer. At just 15 years old, Owen Cooper is rewriting the history books, and with this victory, his future in Hollywood looks incredibly bright. What an inspiring moment for all of us! Owen's win proves that age is no barrier to greatness. Stay tuned to see what he does next.